Hello my friends, Brian back with the Singularitynet AGIX token update, and what a day we have had in the crypto market. Bitcoin finally broke that 29,000. We've been talking about it for, feels like forever, probably last week anyway, and boy, as soon as it did, this market really started moving, so things are looking really good. I'm going to show you something on AGIX that is super bullish here, a pattern that formed that it is breaking out of, and everything's looking great. It really is. So let's get into this, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate that so very much, and let's go, guys. Here we go. First article, AGIX price analysis. AGIX price prepares for a breakout. AGIX is currently trading at 0.399 while seeing a 17% uptick in the 24-hour trading volume. When you see that uptick in the trading volume, usually the traders out there know something's about to happen. Okay, it says AGIX price recorded a decline of 0.17% in the last 24 hours. The price is trading within a consolidation channel, implying that there is currently a state of indecision in the market regarding the overall trend. However, the consolidation itself presents an opportunity for short-term buyers and sellers. On the smaller time frame, the oscillators and candlestick patterns are giving bullish indicators, which suggest that the current price action could be a boon for the buyers. However, in the long term, the one-day time frame, suspense may remain in the market as the price has not formed any long-term support point yet. Alright, it says that AGIX price is trading under consolidation on the 4-hour time frame. And if we go down here, the conclusion, the price is currently trading in the demand zone on the 4-hour time frame, where it is moving within a range between 0.448 and 0.396, the support zone. It is giving a move of 10 to 16% on each turn. The price has been trading under consolidation since last week. This particular trend is more appropriate for swing traders as the price is making moves within a few days timeline. Long-term investors might prefer to remain cautious. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys that a lot of traders out there, I know exactly what they see, and you know, not that I'm some genius, I'm far from that, but I know why that 17% uptick in the 24-hour trading volume, that's buyers coming in for sure, and I'm going to show you why. Here's your top 100 crypto bubbles. I can see a lot of green out there today. Boy, a lot of this was red at 8 o'clock in the morning when I got on here, and the last hour you can see the red out there. Okay, just after a run like that, you're going to have a pullback. A lot of the RSIs are overextended, and some of these coins are just doing a small, they're small pullback like they're supposed to do. Okay, we go up, we pull back, we go up, we pull back. That's just the way the market goes. But for the day, everything looks great. I think there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red coins on here, maybe 7. But here's your crypto fear and greed indicator. Market cap is up 2.22% at $1,258 billion. Volume over 24 hours is up almost 30%. $43 billion in volume. Bitcoin dominance is at 44.8. It is up 1.45%. And the market sentiment is at a 62. We were at a 61 yesterday. We're still in the green. Here's your top 100 gainers and losers from CoinMarketCap. If you look on the right hand side over here, the biggest loser is Trust Wallet at 1.76%. So that and I have some Trust Wallet there, but boy, it seems that thing really has some massive price swings. But anyway, let's get down through here and let you see the top 100 there. Even the smallest loser is up 2.28% out of the top 100. So let's look at this chart, guys. And I'm going to show you exactly what these guys have been looking at. Okay, inside here. Alright, we're going to put our patterns back on here. This is on the 4-hour chart. There was a falling wedge forming in here, okay, which we got a breakout from this morning. This thing broke out of that falling wedge. And before I want to do one thing first. This price zone for this ABC correction, we hit it. Okay, so I'm going to move that off the chart. We ended up doing the ABC correction that I told you guys was coming a couple days ago when we did that video. But I think we were up here in price. I said don't don't panic if we pull down here. Well, we did. That finished at ABC, so that is over with, and I can remove that from the screen. Okay, but you can see this falling wedge pattern, and if you remember in past videos, I've talked about falling wedges. 8 out of 10 times these things break to the top, and sure enough, this thing broke out. Okay, it did the big green candle, like I always say. Not financial advice, just friend to friend, or or however you want to put it. Don't please don't buy big green candles. Wait for the retest. This thing came back, it retested now this former resistance as support. Okay, and now we're starting to move up there. Okay, it looks like this thing could be one of two things. Okay, as far as a wave count goes, this could be a 1, 2, and we could be working on the 3 wave now, and a 4 and a 5, or there's a couple. We're gonna have to wait to see how this plays out here. Or this was a 1, 2 here, and this was a 3, 4, but I would expect a bigger pullback on a 4. So I'm kind of leaning towards the towards this here. Okay, that being 2, and we're working on our 3 wave now, because normally your 4 is going to be a deeper correction. Okay, so that's what I'm kind of leaning at, and who knows where this will go. And none of this is financial advice, folks. Please don't go wagering your money on anything anybody says on YouTube. Okay, I'm just showing you what I see in the market, and once in a while I get lucky and I'm right. Just it's just following the charts and trying to project what they're going to do. Nobody's right all the time, but I get my fair share right and I get my fair share wrong. That's just how it goes here. So I expect this thing to do some more movement up here within the next couple days. As far as these RSIs look, the 4 hour is getting a little overheated. Okay, so the 1 hour is overheated. Let's look at the 8. The 8 is at the top, and the 12 is getting near the top. But what's exciting is look at the daily. It just turned up. Okay, so this is going to be our price action for the next 4, 5, 6 days. Okay, on that daily RSI. So we're going to have up down, but if we take a measure, just this wedge breakout, okay, if we measure the measurement out of this and see what kind of price zone it gives us for this, because these are usually really accurate. So if we put that there, that would put us up at roughly the 43.5 cent area for the wedge, the measurement of the wedge breakout. So we're going to put a line up there, just like we always do for price zones. Well, no, let's not do that. Let's put a price zone up there, a block here. Okay, that was up at the 43.5 area, 43.5. Whoops, not that far down. There we go, and we'll lock it in there and we'll leave it there. Okay, so, and anyway, I expect this thing to get this 5 waves up anyway, at what we've been talking about in this bigger pattern here. Okay, 3, 4, might work out something like that. It's hard to tell how it's going to look, but overall we're talking about a 5 wave up here out of this whole thing. So we had our ABC pattern in here, and we have our first 5 legs up, and we'll keep an eye on this thing and see how everything goes here. But obviously over here we had a big after this big fall, we had this big ABC correction. Okay, and we also had 5 waves inside of it. All right, but not to confuse anybody, we're going to stick with, right now we are looking for the next target up here at that 0.43.5 to the 44.5 zone. We're looking for that for the next price for this first 5 set of waves up. So thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. Please hit that like button and subscribe button if you enjoyed it, and I'll get back to you guys soon as we have some more price action. So thank you so much.